welcome back to the Faff Files. In today's video we are going to be replacing the air filter that's in the GT4 with the HKS one that we've bought. So let's head outside and let's get cracking. So this is with the standard air filter in. Don't know how long this has been in here for, but it is a little bit dirty, and it looks alright from the top, but underneath, no. So it has been doing its job, so time for the new one. Good in the fact that if this goes, you can just take the filter out and replace just the filter rather than the whole unit. Okay, this is with the HKS panel filter in. Oh yeah, definitely a little bit more of a induction whistle and induction noise now.